欢迎大家来到第2届海城储能生态日现场，大会马上开始。Welcome to HiTHIUM Second ECO-DAY. Our event will begin soon.
Lisa? I'm Lisa. Welcome to the 2024 HiTHIUM ECO-DAY. Oh, look, someone is coming over. Lisa, do you like this field of dandelions? Of course, I love them very much. Dandelions symbolize freedom, which aligns perfectly with today's theme, the freedom of energy, and the year's HiTHIUM ECO-DAY. And we are very glad to see so many friends joining us here today, along with many more on the live stream. Thank you for being here. Last year, we held the first December 12th HiTHIUM ECO-DAY in the vibrant city of Chongqing, and this year we come to Beijing, an ancient yet modern metropolitan city. From Chongqing to Beijing, we are continuing to write an exciting new chapter. The unique choice of venue adds a touch of magic and anticipation to this grand occasion. In this immersive virtual space, we invite you to join us on a journey through time and space, stepping into a world of infinite possibilities, the freedom of energy, the revolution of life. At last year's HiTHIUM ECO-DAY, we centered our event around the theme Ground Trio for the New World, focusing on three key dimensions: life production and ecology. We introduced three innovative solutions: energy equity, the all industries energy storage, and the long-duration energy storage, opening up a new world of energy storage applications. Our original aspiration was to drive the elimination of global energy poverty and meet the demands of the green energy transition. Many friends may ask, why does HiTHIUM hold ECO-DAY every year? There are two reasons. One is our original intention, the other is our belief. Our original intention is to make green energy benefit all. It drives us to innovate, constantly push boundaries, and make green energy more convenient and affordable, ensuring that everyone can use it and benefit from it. Our belief stems from our core values, our ideals, our mission. It motivates us to tackle challenging tasks, stay dedicated to perfecting energy storage, and work tirelessly towards achieving energy equity and energy freedom. HiTHIUM ECO-DAY not only focuses on the present, but also embraces the future, because the future is already here. That's why we are confident that ECO-DAY will continue to be held year after year. We hope that we can build a bridge between the present and the future, sharing the achievements and the progress, and establishing HiTHIUM ECO-DAY as a trendsetter for technological innovation in the energy storage industry. This year, under the theme, the freedom of energy, the revolution of life, we are excited to share our thoughts and insights on energy freedom so that we will bring our solutions. We also hope that we can serve the society's energy needs, unlocking greater possibilities for people's lives and industries worldwide. Without freedom in energy storage, there will be no freedom in energy. Over the past year, we've observed that a large part of real market demands for energy storage is not met yet, and there are two reasons for this. Firstly, traditional energy storage system has only a partial understanding of the market's true needs. In many industries and scenarios, the differentiated and specialized demands for energy storage remain urgent yet unexplored. And second, while some product solutions exist, they often lack precision. Traditional energy storage fails to anticipate market needs in advance, frequently rely on a single product or remedial combination solutions to address a variety of user requirements. So this approach not only risks introducing safety hazards but also impose high costs. And from another perspective, the energy storage market demands we see today are merely the tip of the iceberg. A vast untapped realm of real market needs is still waiting to be discovered and developed. Currently, we have 6 factors limiting the demand in the energy storage market, namely region, climate, environment, application scale, and process. And first of all, from the regional perspective, the world's primary energy storage markets are China, the US, and Europe, which account for over 80% of the global energy storage market, with a great influence. However, these 3 major markets have distinct requirements. For example, in certification, safety, performance, and quality control. These differences shape the development path of the energy storage industry in each region. And from the climate perspective, people live in diverse climate zones around the world, some with sunny days, others with freezing snow, or areas characterized by damp, raining conditions. These different and ever-changing climates impose constraints on the application of energy storage systems. From the environmental perspective, the world's landscapes and landforms are diverse, including mountains, islands, deserts, plains, and polar regions. Each of these complex and varied landforms have unique natural conditions which have a significant impact on the development of energy storage systems. From the application perspective, different user groups with different source grid and load have different habits and also diverse personalized demands. For instance, on the generation side, the focus is on renewable energy integration and output smoothing. On the grid side, priorities include peak shaving, frequency regulation, and enhancing grid stability. For users, they pay attention to the intermittency and convenient use. So these have become key challenges of the energy storage. And from the scale perspective, the energy storage capacity demands of the power sector, commercial and industrial users and households vary greatly. They range from a few kilowatt hours to billions of kilowatt hours, from a few battery cells to millions of battery cells, and from meeting basic electricity needs to ensuring power supply at the scale of a power station. So these different scale requirements also pose challenges to us. And finally, let's look at the complicated ecosystem of energy storage. The successful implementation of an energy storage project from initiation to completion relies on multiple key stages, including the evaluation, solution design, manufacturing, logistics, and transportation. And these stages are closely interconnected and indispensable, forming a comprehensive energy storage ecosystem. How can we overcome these limitations? Mental constraints are the greatest obstacles to innovative development. To address the complicated challenges and the limitations in energy storage, the key lies in charting a new path and thinking out of the box. At the end of the 19th century, Nikola Tesla invented the high-frequency AC generator, disrupting the dominance of the DC and advancing humanity's use of energy. Only by thinking out of the box, tackling challenges head-on, and continuously innovating can we truly overcome the bottlenecks in the development of energy storage. People succeed because they believe they can. We firmly believe that we will ultimately achieve the goal of empowering all possibilities through energy storage. To achieve energy freedom, we must first ask, what is energy freedom? We believe it can be defined on 2 levels. First is energy abundance, breaking the limitation of scarcity versus plenty. By leveraging Energy Storage Plus to integrate wind, solar, hydro, and traditional energy sources, we can create an exceptional abundant energy ecosystem. Second is energy accessibility, breaking the limitation of difficulty versus ease. Energy should be easily and conveniently accessible to anyone, anytime, and anywhere. So how can energy storage drive energy freedom? As an active participant and builder in the energy sector, HiTHIUM firmly believes that in the foreseeable future, the energy storage plus renewable energy model will be the inevitable path to achieving energy freedom. Energy storage effectively addresses the intermittency and the volatility of renewable energy generation. The energy storage plus renewable energy model offers advantages in sustainability, environmental friendliness, technological advancement, and overall economic efficiency. Once the limitations of energy storage applications are overcome, the integration of wind, solar, hydro, and other clean energy sources will drive a comprehensive transformation of the energy structure. Achieving energy freedom for society as a whole will no longer be an unreachable goal. The key to unlocking the energy potential and breaking the limitations of energy storage lies in this concept, infinite infi. It represents boundless energy and our products. And here I would like to share with you the 2 minutes of infinite from HiTHIUM's perspective. First, the HiTHIUM team embodies professionalism, usefulness, and vitality. We embrace core values of freedom, innovation, sharing, and compassion while remaining steadfast in our mission to make green energy benefit all. The essence of HiTHIUM's infinite energy code stems from this foundation. It carries boundless hope, exploration, and responsibility, limitless energy applications and innovation. And second, HiTHIUM is an open and global company. Infinite is a universally recognized mathematical symbol carrying profound philosophical meanings of openness, continuity, and boundlessness. We have integrated Eastern and Western philosophical reflections into this concept, combining energy and infinite to create the infi. We aspire for HiTHIUM's infi to contribute infinite energy towards solving global energy challenges. Energy is boundless, and its power endures infinitely. HiTHIUM is not only an advocate, but also a steadfast doer. As a committed practitioner in the energy storage field, HiTHIUM remains driven by a resolute energy mission. With the INFI Energy Code, we provide possibilities for achieving energy freedom for all humanity through fully customized, all-scenario integrated solutions. Let's join hands to unlock a new world of energy freedom. Thank you.
Dear leaders, guests, good afternoon. I'm very happy to meet you here in Beijing for the annual HiTHIUM ECO-Day. I'm Guan Wei from HiTHIUM Energy Storage. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing HiTHIUM new product designed for home energy scenarios. Last year, HiTHIUM launched the world's first single-cell system called Hero EE, an energy equity product specifically designed for the energy-deprived regions. Over the past year, what changes has this product brought to the lives of people in those areas? Let's watch a video together. Every frame is filled with happiness. Beneath the vast skies of the Qinghai Tibet Plateau, herders now have access to safe drinking water. By the shimmering waters of Tunnel Sub Lake, children have classrooms lit with electric lights, cooled by fans, and equipped with projectors. The sound of their clear voices reading aloud and their joyful laughter still seems to echo in our ears. On the plains of the Masi Mara, the sound system at outdoor weddings is no longer disrupted by the noise of diesel generators, leaving newlyweds with unforgettable memories. On the streets of Nairobi, even during the power outage, Stephen Lai's business continues to operate, making it the brightest shop in the darkness. In the scoring heat of Kano, small cold chain ecosystem ensure vaccines are delivered safely into the hands of anxious doctors, bringing hope to their patients. HiTHIUM mission drives us to the dream big and take bold actions. There are 2 billion households worldwide as of 2024. The cumulative installed capacity of residential energy storage system has reached 15 gigawatt per hour, covering approximately 2.7 million households. By 2030, this figure is expected to rise to 200 GWh, representing a 13-fold increase. This is an enormous market. We made a lot of market research, and there are some pain points we have discovered, including high installation costs, lengthy installation cycles, difficulties in scalability, and a lack of intelligence functionality. The first limitation lies in the labor required for installation, which leads to 2 major problems. One, installation costs are extremely high. Our research in North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia revealed that installation expenses account for at least a quarter of the total cost. And in regions like North America and Europe, they are nearly equivalent to the cost of the equipment itself. The other one is very long, installation long. The most extreme case we found during our research was in Europe, where the scheduling and installation requires booking 6 months in advance. What is the reason? Ultimately, because these 2 issues boil down to the severe scarcity of installation resources. For example, in Germany, a master electrician qualification is necessary for doing this job. To achieve this, individuals must first work in the field for 6 years before they are eligible to enroll in the necessary training and exam. Even under ideal circumstances, it takes an additional 1 to 1.5 years to pass the exam. In developed countries, it requires longer time. The second limitation is about the installation space. The equipment should be installed in some special area, such as the access point. So it takes about 1 day to do the installation. If the requirement of the user change, it requires a secondary installation. So this is more complex. There are 2 ways to do this. One, fix the power with added energy. Second, increase the power. This necessitates installing an entirely new system. However, the new system must use an identical inverter, making the process highly inflexible. And some companies' products are not compatible in their first, second, and third generation products. And they need a lot of expression packs, which has to be installed side by side. The last one is that most of products are not smart. They cannot purify themselves. So the equipment is typically configured with a multitude of technical parameters during the initial installation by professional technicians. Here are some examples. Typically, there are dozens of configuration pages and hundreds of options to set. Users generally lack the ability to optimize these settings, resulting in one isolated energy island after another that cannot evolve. Consequently, users' energy usage strategies are often neither optimal nor energy efficient. So this leads us to think about this question. So these pain points lead us to reflect what characteristics should HiTHIUM envision a home microgrid freedom have. First, it should feel like a household appliance, seamlessly integrating into homes as easily as common appliances like TV and fridges. It should be ready to be used, and it should save costs. Another one is intelligent. How intelligent it should be. Plug-and-play functionality is one level of intelligence. Additionally, it should have the ability to evolve autonomously, adapting to changes in its environment and internal conditions to execute most optimal operating strategies. It should be modular, breaking down a large system into smaller microgrid modules allows for flexible assembly, much like a building with Lego blocks. Over half of households worldwide consume less than 10 kilowatt hours of electricity per day. In developed countries, the average daily consumption is 15 kilowatt hours, while in the US it was 20 kilowatt hours. We use standardized small modules to meet a variety of needs, whether increasing power or energy. The modules can be freely combined just as straightforward as 1 + 1 is equal to. So what exactly do these features change? I believe they change the direction of energy flow. In household scenarios, we are accustomed to a centralized approach where energy flows from the main access point to the electrical load. But what if we could use a home microgrid to support both modes simultaneously? It can flow in the traditional way from centralized to decentralized, or it can reverse, flowing from decentralized to centralized, and it has no limitation. Today, I am very proud to introduce the HiTHIUM plug-and-play home microgrid system, HiTHIUM ES. This revolutionary product consists of two key components: the storage series of smart home energy storage modules and the Synergy Box Smart Control module. The most remarkable feature of HiTHIUM ES is its exceptional self-networking capacity for home microgrids. Smart storage modules of different specifications can be combined wirelessly and infinitely, enabling true plug-and-play functionality. It's comparable to how we use USB ports in our daily lives. Just plug it in and it works. It's very convenient. HiTHIUM is far more than just a standalone energy storage product. It not only makes installation incredibly simple, but also introduces a new paradigm of free networking and intelligent functionality. It empowers everyone to achieve complete energy freedom within their local space and time, putting control entirely in their hands. It sounds easy, but thanks to cutting-edge technology, that it ensures the home microgrid operates stably under all conditions. One major challenge is to enable multiple machines to work together. In the home microgrid, there are numerous household appliances with transit power fluctuations and multiple energy storage devices may generate circulating currents. Another challenge is grid to off-grid switching in the most extreme scenarios, such as a sudden power outage. The home microgrid must seamlessly transition from the grid within 0.01 seconds. During this transition, energy storage must provide voltage and frequency support to the home microgrid with deviations kept within 5%. And there is the issue of electrical safety too. But actually, we have solved all the problem. In order, we have provided new ideas and solutions for home microgrid scenarios. In the smart storage modules, HiTHIUM has optimized and downsized networking algorithm originally used in large-scale energy storage systems, adapting them perfectly for household applications. We have successfully achieved various parallel operation of 16 smart storage modules with different power levels, breaking the physical limitation for traditional home energy storage system in multi-machine condition and wire communication. In the Synergy box, smart control module is our intelligent terminal. It is not only monitors the load conditions of each electrical circuit, but also coordinates the smart storage modules. The ultimate goal is to ensure more stable to operate of the home microgrid and achieve more efficient energy distribution. The core of achieving applies like functionality like the HiTHIUM plug-and-play technology. This not only revolutionizes the installation experience, but also delivers unprecedented economic benefits to users. We utilize a non-invasive installation method, significantly lowering the qualification requirement for installation personnel. The initial installation time has been reduced from a full workday to under 30 minutes, a more than tenfold improvement. Consequently, the initial installation cost has dropped dramatically to just 1/3 of what it used to be. The Synergy box smart control module is installed. The rest is handled by its intelligent networking capabilities. User can select smart storage modules just like they would small household appliance. There's no need to spend extra money or time on installation or networking for these modules. Sometimes users may not want to install everything at once. Future expansion can be added as needed. System expansion is require no secondary installation, with construction costs and time reduced to virtually zero. The intelligence of HiTHIUM ES is embodied in the system too. It's an all-in-one powerhouse that integrates sensing, decision-making, and coordination. Equipped with HiTHIUM proprietary AI algorithm, it enables the autonomous evolution of household energy system, improving the energy efficiency by at least 10%. And our cloud-based AI decision-making algorithm provides real-time optimization strategies, so users don't need to worry about understanding complex technical settings or making configuration. They only need to focus on how much they've saved on their electricity bills.
The Synergy box coordinates and manages the smart storage modules, and we can also offer a cross-platform solution that integrates with smart home systems. It will be compatible with the Matter protocol supported by Google Home and Amazon Alexa, enabling deeper interconnectivity between energy storage systems and smart appliances. And finally, the small size and modular-based application brings two key benefits. Firstly, the small-sized modules have finer granularity, and such modules allow for more flexible configurations tailored to actual household energy needs. For example, if the customer, optimal solution is 7 kilowatt-hours. We can configure exactly 7 kilowatt-hours. And second, the standardized small modules can be independently controlled. when a single module needs an upgrade, different versions can compatible with each other, and even with previously installed solar or storage devices, significantly reducing upgrade costs, and it will also minimize the downtime and ensure reliability. This year, HiTHIUM's launch of Hero ES is truly groundbreaking. It fundamentally reimagines how to deliver a completely new user experience, enabling renewable energy to be freely and conveniently enjoyed by anyone, anywhere, at any time. And let me briefly summarize the three values of Hero ES. First, it reduces the initial installation time to under 30 minutes, just 1/10 of the previous time, and cuts the initial installation costs to 1/3. And extension does not need more installation. And secondly, the Synergy Box smart control module of Hero ES makes home energy management more intelligent with no need for user configuration. Its AI algorithms autonomously execute optimal coordination strategies, improving the energy efficiency by 10%. And thirdly, the small-sized modular-based application gives Hero ES finer granularity, enabling configurations that better match household needs without any waste. The small modules, they operate independently without interfering with each other. And last year, we introduced the Hero Double E single cell system, a bold attempt at creating the smallest energy storage module. And this year, the Hero ES technology takes the free combination of the smallest energy storage modules to a whole new level, offering unparalleled flexibility and seamless scalability. HiTHIUM will remain steadfast in its commitment to innovation, striving to drive the continuous evolution of renewable energy solutions. We firmly believe that energy freedom, environmental harmony, and a life of comfort and joy is bound to become a reality. And maybe you are curious, when can we experience the exceptional performance of Hero ES? And we will begin global deliveries in the third quarter of 2025, and today we have set up an experience center just outside, and we warmly invite you to join us and explore it firsthand. Distinguished guests, let's together unlock a new world of all-scenario home energy storage and empowering millions of households to achieve intelligent energy, connectivity, and freedom. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Yiziqi from HiTHIUM. Welcome to HiTHIUM ECO-DAY, Freedom of Energy, New World. And with the continued advancement of carbon neutrality and carbon peak goals, the share of renewable energy sources like wind and solar energy is increasing. And now we have entered a high-quality development phase. And in China, the proportion of the large-scale power stations with capacities exceeding 100 megawatt has seen a significant shift, rising from 23% in 2020 to 58% in the first half of 2024. And there are as many as 21 newly operational, under construction, or planned energy storage power stations at the gigawatt-hour scale. This growth vividly demonstrates the flourishing momentum of the energy storage industry in China. And the different proportion of renewable energy generation significantly affects the required duration of energy storage. And in China, the share of wind and solar power exceeded 20% in 2024. And however, in some regions of the U.S., where renewable energy accounts for over 30% of the energy mix, 4-hour storage durations account for more than 70% of the market in 2024. This shows that the energy storage duration requirements vary greatly across regions due to differences in energy structure. And in addition, the application scenarios of energy storage systems are very diverse, covering plains, deserts, plateaus, islands, and regions, and the different natural conditions in different regions, such as temperature, sunlight, humidity, and altitude, also result in different requirements for energy storage systems across these areas. And looking back at the development process of power storage systems in recent years, we can see that the industry has gone through several different phases. From 2020 to 2022, energy storage products were in their initial stage, transitioning from non-existence to initial exploration. And between 2022 and 2024, the industry underwent a significant shift. Rapidly, early-stage development gave way to overcapacity, and with numerous companies flooding in the market, leading to severe product homogenization and increasingly intense competition. Looking ahead to 2026, the industry will enter a very important phase, transitioning from overcapacity to refinement and breakthrough innovation. And now we have entered into an area with very fierce competition, and there are several characteristics. First, the large capacity systems have become the mainstream trend. The large capacity energy storage systems have many advantages. For example, they can reduce the cost and reduce the land use and also improve the efficiency. And secondly, in today's competitive market, the rule of the sweet win it all has become increasingly obvious. Take HiTHIUM as an example. We are the pioneer in launching 5 megawatt-hour products within the industry, and we have achieved nearly 5 gigawatt-hour in overseas sales of its 5 megawatt-hour systems this year. So we have secured a strong foothold in the market with our product iteration and performance. And finally, under the trend of scalability and scenario-based applications, a comprehensive understanding and research into sales systems and scenarios are very important. And as the power storage industry develops rapidly, the market has also entered a phase of refined profit management. During the early stages, the stakeholders mainly focused on equipment costs, which account for over 60% of the total expenses. However, with the decline of the equipment costs, the stakeholders began to pay closer attention to cost control measures. And while striving for continuous optimization of CapEx, there is also a growing emphasis on key performance indicators such as RTE, auxiliary power consumption, system availability, etc. And also, due to the differences in labor, land, and resources costs across various countries and regions, the regional characteristics of LCOS have also become increasingly evident. And energy storage, as the time-space transporter of energy, has outgrown the era where a single product could dominate the market. In today's landscape of large-scale applications, scenario-based demands, and refined profitability management, energy storage faces challenges across multiple dimensions. How should we respond to these challenges? HiTHIUM, guided by the development philosophy of large capacity plus scenario-based applications, start with the differentiated needs of various scenarios to deeply explore the optimal solutions for energy storage systems. And so what tangible value does large capacity bring to customers? Let's take 1 gigawatt-hour power station as an example. Using 314 Ah cells would require about 1 million cells. However, adopting 1,000 AH level cells would reduce this number to just 300,000, which is a 70% decrease in the cell count. This reduction in cell quantity translates to fewer connection points across the entire station, and it will also enhance the reliability and also simplifies the complexity of cell management. Moreover, based on the calculations using a standard 20-feet container, each additional 1 megawatt-hour of system capacity reduces the average DC-side system cost by 15%. And let's continue to analyze the value and returns from a scenario-based perspective. Scenarios can be considered across dimensions such as time, space, and complex coupled working conditions. And from the time dimension, or the aspect of energy storage duration, the small cell type exhibits significant differences in cooling and overcurrent performance across varying durations. And from the space dimension, let's take temperature variation as an example. Currently, most products support the temperature range of minus 30 Celsius degree to 50 Celsius degree. However, in certain regions, such as the Middle East, the required temperature range can reach as high as 60 Celsius degree. And just as SUVs and sedans with their unique features effectively address different travel challenges and grant people freedom of mobility, we hope to achieve the same with customized solutions for temporal and spatial scenarios, so that we can meet the different needs in different scenarios, so that the use of energy will be more free. And last year, HiTHIUM successfully launched the world's first kilowatt-hour level cell and 6 megawatt-hour system designed for long-duration storage, pioneering the era of large-capacity energy storage. Looking back to 2024, large capacity has become the dominant theme in the energy storage industry, with numerous companies embracing the trend from 6 megawatt-hour to 8 megawatt-hour. The trend of large cells and large systems has emerged. However, it has many advantages, but it also has limitations. Using a 20-feet container as the basis, we conducted detailed analysis and precise calculations across key dimensions such as volume, weight, voltage, chemical composition, safety, and adaptability. And we analyzed to refine the optimal solutions for large systems through the forward-thinking design. And we can have some examples. And in terms of volume, considering the cost of overseas shipping, we are constrained by the size limits of 20-feet container. And in terms of weight, we must account for weight restrictions during lifting and transportation. And in terms of chemical composition, we should balance the comprehensive properties such as energy density, efficiency, cycle life, and safety. And we also need to focus on rapid iteration and differentiated development to meet the specific requirements of various scenarios and customers. And we should also consider the multidimensional analysis, and we should also consider the large-scale manufacturing as well as the continuity and maintainability of the product. And based on the above analysis, we have come to understand that during the product development process, there is a need for a unit capability of integrating various complex constraints while meeting the comprehensive requirements. We found that pack is the bridge between cells and systems, and it is the smallest unit that features iterative interfaces for power, thermal management, fire, safety, communication, and installation. And they can also be flexibly combined to meet the comprehensive requirements.
So with this in mind, we are proud to officially launch the Pack Plus A all-scenario large-capacity energy storage platform. The features are including large capacity, utilizes HiTHIUM high-processed cells with each pack approaching 200 kWh standardization, achieves standardized interface for power, thermal management, fire safety, and communication installation, and significantly reducing the complexity of system development. The next one is platform-based, enable up to 72% of component commonality across packs using different cell types. Scenario adaptability is the next feature. The next one is maintainability, and it is much easier for repair and replacement. HiTHIUM will fully leverage the pack platform to develop scenario-based system products and solutions tailored to different temporal and spatial contexts. This approach ensures precise alignment with customer diverse needs, maximizing their value and delivering optimal outcomes. First, for the time-based scenarios, we have built on the Pack Plus platform and combined it with our high-capacity File 87N and 1175 and cells to officially launch the Power 6.2 File MWH 2 hours and the 4H large capacity energy storage systems. And in terms of space-based scenarios, we have developed the Desert Eagle product series to address unique environment challenges. In future, we will continue to conduct in-depth research on various scenarios, further enriching our product portfolio to meet diverse customer needs. Thanks to the platform-based application and standardized system architecture design, these two products offer cost efficiency, achieving up to 15% reduction in overall cost. Enhanced safety, HiTHIUM ensures the intrinsic safety of large capacity cells, incorporates a composite top cover capable of withstanding temperature over 1,000 degrees Celsius, and integrate both functional and network level safety into the BMS. And we can reduce the maintenance time for 50%. And also, this is another feature which is good maintenance. Another feature is adaptability. We are compatible with centralized string type and complex coupled PCS architecture. And another feature is about environmental friendliness because we have the features. Our product features a noise level as low as 65 dB. In 2024, we have made comprehensive preparation for all scenario large capacity energy storage. As you can see, our large cell production lines are currently undergoing intensive commissioning. This not only reflects our significant investment in technology research and production facilities, but also marks a crucial step forward as we aim to reach new heights in the energy storage industry. And we have new technologies which ensures the high-speed penetration. This shows our investment in technology and production, and this shows a key step that we take to achieve a new height of energy storage industry. We have never ceased our pursuit for better technology. Now I announce that the HiTHIUM Power 6.25 MWH 2-hour and 4-hour all-scenario large capacity energy storage system will begin global deliveries in the second quarter of 2025. While we preparing for product development and delivery, we have been thinking, what does the future of energy storage products? This is a question about our thinking on the industry, and this is the driving forces for keeping be the leader of the industry. We observe that the various functional modules of batteries and systems are integrated in a tightly coupled manner, significantly increasing system complexity. As capacities grow larger, product iteration and overall system performance improvement face increasing limitations. So we must break free from traditional product thinking by coupling system functional modules and transforming the tightly coupled relationships such as power, thermal management, fire safety control, and power output into loosely coupled ones. We can unlock a new paradigm for energy storage power stations. And we can flexibly configure different quantities of 8 packs to effortlessly achieve 7 MWH and 8 MWH system products. And the coupled configuration redefines the concept of energy storage product integration. Through decoupling, we establish standardized interface and implement specialized division of labor, enabling the independent evolution of each module. This approach promotes the specialized development and collaborate innovation technologies across modules while strengthening coordination and cooperation among upstream and downstream enterprises in the industry chain. We hope that we will open the full ecological chain of energy storage system products for collaboration and joint innovation in 2025. Together with upstream and downstream partners, we aim to build a new ecosystem for energy storage industry. We will embrace the trend of large capacity plus scenario-based applications to develop the pack plus all scenario large capacity energy storage platform, and we hope that together we will unlock a new world of all scenario large capacity energy storage, enabling power storage to achieve true temporal and spatial customization freedom. Dear leaders, guests, good afternoon. I am Zheng Jianming from the HiTHIUM Energy Storage Battery Research Institute. Welcome to our ECO-DAY. Sunlight and seawater are nature's gift to us, free yet incredibly precious. Where the sun reaches, energy is infinite. Where the sea stretches, storage is boundless. The combination of sun and seawater holds the key to unlocking energy freedom for humanity. Today, we are here to unveil that key with sodium-ion batteries. Sodium is one of the most abundant elements in nature. Just 1% of it were utilized to produce sodium-ion batteries. It could meet the global annual energy storage demand of 1 TWh for an astonishing 15 billion years. This undoubtedly highlights the immense appeal and boundless potential of sodium-ion technology. What is the current state of sodium-ion battery development? Over the past 3 years, HiTHIUM Energy Storage has conducted extensive market research and analysis, revealing that sodium-ion batteries have yet to find widespread application scenarios. The industrialization process has been repeatedly delayed, leading to two common misconceptions about the future of sodium-ion batteries. One is small, another one is slow. In terms of small, the applications are limited and it has a small market. This is primarily due to the lower energy density of sodium-ion batteries, making it difficult to meet high energy density requirements of mainstream applications such as consumer electronics and electric vehicles. Based on the current estimated energy density of sodium-ion batteries, if we used in smartphone batteries, the battery size would be more than 3 times larger than it is today. If it is applied in electric vehicles, the driving range would be reduced to roughly half of its current capacity. So these limitations clearly create a significant gap between sodium-ion batteries and the actual needs of the applications. Regarding slow, the industrialization process from R&D to mass production is very slow. While sodium resources are more abundant than lithium, the lithium-ion battery supply chain is well established and its costs are highly competitive. Since 2023, the price of lithium resources has dropped to 1/6 of its peak, eroding sodium-ion batteries' cost advantage. This has led to reduced industry attention and a slower pace of industrialization. So what is the future of sodium-ion? The key lies in identifying mainstream application scenario for sodium-ion batteries. Once we found it, the sodium-ion battery industry is poised to take off. The target mainstream application lies in the field of energy storage. Let's analyze this together. Well, sodium-ion batteries naturally have lower energy density compared to lithium-ion batteries. This is not a critical drawback for energy storage applications. The limitations in the cycle life and high temperature stability can be addressed through optimized battery technology pathways and continuous innovation. As long as the right technological pathways are identified to address it, these two shortcomings, lithium-ion batteries can achieve large-scale application in the energy storage sector. So we firmly believe that the first mainstream application breakthrough for sodium-ion batteries will occur in energy storage, this $1 trillion standalone mega market. So what kind of technological pathway can address the shortcomings of sodium-ion battery in the energy storage field? The mainstream sodium-ion batteries, the anode generally uses hard carbon material. From the perspective of cathode materials, there are three major technological pathways. First, Prussian blue, Prussian white, the layered oxidized polyanionic compounds compared to the other two pathways. Anionic compounds stand out due to their unique advantage in stability, safety, and performance for their energy storage applications. The anionic pathway demonstrates the best performance in meeting the critical key performance indicators for energy storage needs, in particular sodium-ion phosphate, pyrophosphate cathode materials stand out as optimal solution for unlocking the large-scale application of sodium-ion batteries in energy storage. This is due to their long cycle life, super high temperature stability, and enhanced cycle. So today we are happy to announce our new product, which is HiTHIUM, the first sodium-ion battery specially designed for energy storage applications, the cell N162AH. The cell N162AH adopts the same form factor as mainstream 280 mA or 314 mA lithium-ion phosphate batteries used in energy storage applications. It features a charge-discharge voltage range of 2 to 3.3 voltage with a standard configuration of 1P divided 1P and a nominal capacity of 162 mA. This battery combines numerous exceptional characteristics, including long lifespan, high temperature resistance, wide operating temperature range, high charge discharge rates, high energy efficiency, and superior safety. And to achieve comprehensive performance enhancement, we have carried out all-round innovations in battery materials, electrode formulations, and cell design. And we have established a homogeneous high conductivity surface coating strategy, and which significantly enhances the charge transfer rate at the material interface. On the other hand, for the hard carbon anode, we designed rapid sodium-ion pathways to enhance the intercalation and de-intercalation rates. This anode supports 4C fast charging, providing robust kinetic assurance for achieving ultra-long cycle life. Also, the sodium intercalation process in the hard carbon anode results in the near-zero expansion.
It will suppress interface side reactions caused by volume expansion and contraction, and will also ensure a long cycle life. And thirdly, to address the unique interaction mechanism between sodium-ion electrolytes and hard carbon anodes, we developed the micro-bonded electrolyte technology, and this will reduce the interface side reactions and ensure the temperature stability and long cycle life. And we also integrate the innovations in high temperature resistance, high energy efficiency, and superior safety. Next, I would like to analyze the performance features of HiTHIUM's sodium-ion battery. Firstly, it has the ultra-long cycle life, and under 25 Celsius degree and 1P working condition, the battery achieves a 94.2% capacity retention after 4,000 charge-discharge cycles. And during the cycling process, the cell's expansion force remains nearly constant, which will prevent a range of performance degradation and safety risk associated with cell expansion. And secondly, the cell N162AH sodium-ion battery overcomes the challenge of high temperature stability, and this model achieves a 5-fold increase in cycle life at 45 Celsius degree, and it maintains a 92.5% capacity retention after 4,000 cycles under high temperature conditions. And thirdly, the battery excels in wide environmental temperature adaptability with a temperature range of -40 Celsius degree to 60 Celsius degree. The difference between the minimum and the maximum discharge capacity is only 10%. Fourthly, the battery has a very good rate performance. Under the 10C ultra-high discharge rates, the battery achieves a capacity retention rate of 85%. And its chemical composition supports 4C fast charging while maintaining the same cycle performance as under 1C conditions. And its fast charge and discharge capabilities make it suitable for all high-rate charge-discharge demands across energy storage application scenarios. Fifthly, the battery excels in energy efficiency. Under 25 Celsius degree and 0.5 P conditions, the battery achieves an energy efficiency of 97.1%, about 2% higher than the lithium iron phosphate storage batteries. And at 5 Celsius degree and 0.5 P conditions, it still maintains an energy efficiency of 91.9%, which is 7% higher than LFP storage batteries. So that means the energy efficiency with an increase of 1% will cause 0.7% of the IRR. And sixthly, we have gone through various rigorous safety tests, including the drop test, compression test, short circuit, etc. In addition, the battery features an ultra-long shelf life at 0 voltage. We found that after 6 months of 0 voltage storage, the battery shows 0 capacity degradation compared with a freshly manufactured cell. At the same time, the 0 voltage batteries provide enhanced safety for personnel and property during storage, assembly, and transportation. During assembly, even if the positive and the negative terminals are short-circuited, there will be no sparkling or electric shock hazards. And during transportation, the battery remains safe under conditions like crushing or dragging. And based on the above, the sodium-ion battery of HiTHIUM fully meets the performance requirements of energy storage applications. Maybe you will ask, how long will it take for sodium-ion battery industrialization to become a reality? And we have outlined the capacity characteristics and deployment plans for the sodium-ion battery pathway covering materials, cells, and systems. Firstly, multiple domestic suppliers already have production capacities exceeding 1,000 tons with 10,000-ton level production lines under construction, and the existing LFP production lines can be quickly converted into the sodium-ion battery production lines. And second is the carbon materials, which is the bottleneck of core challenges for the industrialization of sodium-ion batteries. And we have successfully achieved the domestic development of the carbon anode technology. And thirdly, electrolyte. The existing lithium battery electrolyte production lines are compatible with the production of sodium-ion battery electrolytes. And fourthly, separator, binder, aluminum current collector, and cell structure components can fully share the production capacity of lithium-ion battery production lines. And fifthly, the cell energy storage, the cell manufacturing can also be compatible with the sodium-ion battery production with the lithium-ion battery. And in terms of system manufacturing, we can also be compatible with the LFP energy storage battery production lines. And in summary, HiTHIUM's sodium-ion battery can leverage the entire lithium-ion phosphate supply chain. And based on this, we predict that 2025 will mark a turning point for the industrialization of sodium-ion batteries. And we have proved that the sodium-ion battery of HiTHIUM meets the requirements of conventional energy storage market applications, but also excels in high temperature, extreme cold, and high power scenarios. With the deepening of its large-scale application, sodium-ion batteries are expected to contribute to the realization of a new industrial landscape where lithium and sodium complement each other. It is predicted that within the next 5 years, the market size of sodium-ion batteries could surpass 100 billion yuan, and the sodium-ion battery market is about to take off. Here, I would like to share our vision for the future of the sodium-ion batteries. First is the cost per battery cell. And with the further iterations of the battery technology and improvements in energy density, the power storage application scenarios will expand significantly. And the BOM cost per cell will be close to that of the phosphate lithium storage batteries within 3 years, and it will be cheaper in 5 years. And we also use the energy storage models to calculate the system costs, including the battery cell, DC side, and AC side. We found that based on the unveil cell N162 long cycle life and high temperature resistance, it already offers economical advantages in high power scenarios, and in the future it will have more obvious advantages. And this concludes our introduction to unveil cells, cell N162 sodium-ion battery. We are looking forward to discuss with you to promote the progress of this industry. And we plan to begin the gigawatt-hour scale mass production in Q4 2025. And by then, we will provide the global energy storage market with a sufficient supply of the high-performance sodium-ion products. And we firmly believe that the time for the sodium-ion battery industry to undergo a transformation has already arrived. And let's make a freedom for the sodium-ion battery. Thank you.
回溯人类进步的历史，许多伟大的发明创造常常勇于打破常规秩序。这种创新的力量，往往能为人类开启一扇
Innovation can open the door to a new world.
扎哈和 Lisa 正在通往能源自由
And
的世界。
HiTHIUM is striving for a world of energy freedom. And we can reduce the manufacturing costs during the daytime. So what can we do during night? Okay, it's up to Lisa. What can Lisa do? Yes, you have asked the correct person. And there is a need for the energy storage system when the electricity is not used completely. That's great. So that will avoid the waste of electricity, and we need the support of the energy storage system. And there is a peak and a trough for the electricity supply. And now in the old buildings, the electricity power grid has great burden. And because of Lisa, the energy is more cost-effective, more efficient. And let's drive the growth and development pace of AI so that we can fulfill the dream of energy freedom. And we can also save the energy consumption and improve the energy efficiency. With Lisa, we will empower more possibilities for the future of energy storage industry. The brand story video we just watched was very interesting. It showcased the powerful appeal of energy storage. That is to empower all possibilities. We hope that the customized solution, just like Lisa in the video, can go anywhere at any time and help all those with energy needs. Dear friends, today we are honored to officially launch 3 innovative products: the plug-and-play home microgrid, time-space customized energy storage, and the sodium-ion battery. These groundbreaking achievements mark a milestone in our journey and present a significant step forward in the energy storage field. And with their outstanding performance and innovation, these products will deeply break through the various limitations in energy storage applications. They will enable billions of households to achieve intelligent energy connectivity, make time and space customized energy storage a reality, and offer freedom of sodium-ion battery choices in extreme environments, and fully open the door to a new world of energy freedom with unlimited possibilities. And in the energy storage field, HiTHIUM will continue to stay true to its original mission and belief, focusing on the energy storage sector. We will keep advancing energy storage technology R&D, offering full scenario customized solutions, so that we will make the infinite energy dream symbolized by ENFI a reality, benefiting everyone and allowing everyone to freely access energy. Energy freedom is the cornerstone of sustainable human development and the goal of human beings. Energy storage is a key bridge to achieving this goal. We look forward to working with all the sectors to jointly open the new world of energy freedom. Next, I would like to invite founder and chairman of HiTHIUM, Mr. Wu Zuyu.
Now let's welcome the leader, CEO of HiTHIUM, Arslan Hafiz, and the CEO of NHOA, Giuseppe Artizu. Welcome, Aguchi Jepson. Welcome, Amanda, a lady, to come onto the stage to present the energy freedom for a new world. Can you please stand in front of the screen and put your right hand on the dotted line symbolizing energy freedom. Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. The development of energy storage holds immense potential, and the future of energy freedom is full of promise. We firmly believe that the growth of energy storage will be boundless, and the new world of energy freedom is destined to emerge. Let us embrace the fearless spirit of dandelion, bravely pursue our dreams, shine brightly, and imagine the most beautiful world ahead. Finally, thank you once again for being here with us today. We look forward to the future where, together, we chase the light, become the light, and work toward a new world of energy freedom. Thank you very much. See you next year. You are invited to the Product Experience Center. You are invited to go to the Product Experience Center for a visit.
Hello， 直播间的观众朋友们，欢迎回来。大家可以看到啊，其实刚刚发布会呢，给你们透露了非常多的新品，对不对？大家对其中哪一个比较感兴趣呢？那其实啊，我现在就在我们这个刚才两个秘密的区域其中之一，也就是说，刚才我们在采访的时候啊，有小伙伴跟你们透露一点小惊喜。这两个区域现在已经开始开放了。我说过的话呢，它就是作为 HiTHIUM 我们的一个家庭智慧能源体验区。接下来啊，可以让你能够体验家庭智慧能源的一些便利和智能。跟着我一块去感受一下吧。
And follow me to feel the intelligence of these products.
我们可以看到啊，其实一进门呢，这里是一个精致的样板间，有客厅、厨房、卧室，每一个生活化的空间呢都有 HiTHIUM 的一个身影。下面我们请我们的专业人士来给大家讲解一下。
So I will invite one of my colleagues to explain to you our products. Welcome to HiTHIUM Experience Center. And it is composed with two modules, the smart storage module and the smart control module, synergy box, and the home microgrid system has three main features: appliance-based intelligence and modular. In terms of home appliance integration, the storage module is designed to function like home appliance. They can be used immediately after purchase without any additional installation. For example, in the experience area, there is a living room, 2 in the kitchen, and 1 in the bedroom, all of which can be used as soon as they are plugged in.
通过电力线给我们全家进行一个提供电源，不需要额外的安装。那另外一个是我们的
Another one is smart feature. The storage module is designed for plug-and-play functionality, allowing it to self-organize through the Synergy box modules sensing and coordination. Additionally, the Synergy box paired with the HiTHIUM app can monitor electricity usage in each room and coordinate each energy distribution with the storage module based on the factors such as weather conditions, local electricity prices, and user habits. The AI in the HiTHIUM cloud optimize energy usage strategies, dynamically adjusting the operating modules of the storage modules to adapt to different electricity consumption scenarios, making energy usage more efficient. At the same time, in the smart module, we can ensure high efficiency use of energy. Another one is modularity. The storage module operates on a unit basis of 1 kWh, allowing for finer granularity and more flexible configurations. Users can purchase exactly what they need, whether increasing power or capacity, achieving a 1 + 1 = 2 effect. For example, if the kitchen has high power appliances, 2 storage modules can be configured, while the living room, which has lower power requirements, can use just 1. If the kitchen's power needs are still not met, the storage module in the living room can directly supply electricity to the kitchen. This configuration is highly flexible, ensuring no waste at all. So this is a very good advantage. No matter it is about the power capacity increase or and capacity increase. The household microgrid system composed of these 2 modules can achieve seamless switch between grid connected and off-grid modes in just 0.01 seconds without affecting the use of household appliances. It also protects the circuits from overcurrent and tripping, ensuring a stable and safe electricity usage for the home. Thank you very much. And actually, we have seen that there are a lot of people in the showroom area, and many people are quite curious about another product. We can go to another showroom, and this product is very good. Anyone could introduce to us these new products? Thank you, our host. I will introduce to you storage module in different scenarios. You can see that in the showroom, it is a storage. And you can see that the storage module is divided into Hero ESI and Hero ES2 with specifications of 1.5 kW, 1.28 kWh, and 2.5 kWh, and 2.5 kWh respectively. While in residential scenarios, in addition to connecting to the household microgrid via wall outlets, it can also be connected to parallel through power strips or integrated into the household distribution box. This method is consistent with the traditional household storage connections, but offers more flexibility and intelligence. The modular design allows users to purchase only what they need, with devices capable of self-organizing and wireless expansion. It is intelligent, requiring no user setup, just plug it into use. If any unit fails, it can be easily unplugged without affecting the overall operation system. In a mobile scenario, such as camping, picnics, outdoor work, or emergencies, multiple appliances can be powered simultaneously through power strips. When faced with high-power devices, several storage modules can be plugged into increase output power and capacity.
自属模块在其他的一些极端的一些场景下，
And in different
情
scenarios,
况下，我们也可以通过这个排插
such as off work,
给
we can use we can just plug in to provide power, and according to the different capacity of the home appliances, we can choose a very suitable. So we can choose very suitable mode to provide electricity. And this one is our patent product. Let me give you an example. The plug, no matter it is plugged by me or it was unplugged unintentionally, we can ensure the electricity use safety. And the QES, the HiTHIUM household microgrid system will provide customers with a convenient user experience similar to household appliances, along with intelligent AI algorithm and collaborative strategies, enhancing overall energy efficiency at home. We welcome everyone to come to experience it. Thank you for your very detailed introduction, and we hope that the HiTHIUM ES will bring more smart energy and interconnectivity for more households. And the next scenario is a new product, and in this showroom it is very beautiful, and what we are seeing is the Power 6.25 kWh storage energy storage system. It is makes electricity storage more free. It adopts 1175 electricity equipment, and it can be used in all scenarios. And this platform can have very big capacity, and it is easy to maintain. So HiTHIUM will use our platform to transcend both time and space to provide system solutions for our users. And with this, HiTHIUM can meet the clients and users' different needs. And through our modular solutions, we provide a new model of energy storage. So in here, you can see energy freedom possibility. The last one is our last scenario, and I can see a lot of people coming into this showroom, and this is the very new product. Which is sodium ion product.
这是最后一个展示区了。
This is the last showroom.
电池研究最早的话呢，始于上世纪的
Actually, this research on sodium ion started in 1980s, but from 2021, people are researching on products that are much cheaper. But due to some shortcomings, sodium ion products have not entered the homes of many people. But with new technologies, the sodium ion products can be used by most of people because it is very good for energy storage. And with this sodium ion products, it ensures it can help ensure energy freedom. Actually, this product is not big, especially compared with other products. It is very portable and convenient to carry. And actually, the press conference started from 4 p.m. till now. Actually, we will have new products show, and we have solutions, and we have the latest sodium ion products, and we have seen new experience. And actually, on the ECO-DAY every year, there are new things. So I hope you will come in the next year's ECO-DAY. I'll see you next year.